What's up, taters? This is Tree from treeoflogic.com, and before I get into this video, I want everybody who's a hardcore Tom McDonald fan to breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly, because we are going to learn a little thing called accountability. I am not against Tom McDonald. As a matter of fact, after making my video 3 weeks ago, giving glory to the song Facts, him with Ben Shapiro. As a matter of fact, here's the video right here. I actually gave him some money and purchased the song to download to my phone. So I do support his music. I still like his music, but I was right in reference to not playing his song on my video, and you, all of you, there was lots of you who told me that Tom McDonald does not copyright strike nor copyright claim anyone who reviews his song. You're liars. I'm right, you're wrong, na boo boo. I came back here to say I told you so. So, for those of you who don't remember, 3 weeks ago, I decided to tell a storyline about what happened with Tom McDonald collaborating with Ben Shapiro on the song Facts. Now, I had some people get a little attitude with me because they was like, why didn't you review the song? Well, you didn't review the song. And I said in the video, I actually said this. I said, I don't want to review the song because I don't want him to strike me or claim me. I don't want him to content ID strike me or content ID claim me. And then this is what I got into some of the comments. I'm not going to read all of the comments, but I'm going to basically just put some of y'all on blast because I love telling you how you're a liar and how I told the truth. Okay, so we had, let's see, did I go? Oh, here we had one client. This clown right here. You're not playing it? Last time I'm on this channel for me. Dude, hey. Don't let the doorknob hit you where the good Lord split you, okay? Bye-bye, all right? I can't stand POSs like yourself. Then we had this guy right here. Tom doesn't copyright and come after reaction channels. That is false. He does, okay? I got the receipts, okay? So y'all need to stop daggone defending people you don't know much about. He appreciated it because he doesn't have a label and a marketing team. Yes, he has a marketing team. Yes, he has a PR team, okay? Stop talking about stuff that you don't know anything about, okay? You lied, all right? And then we have him, we said, so not playing it just tells me you actually don't want to support him. That's sad. You know what? As of right now, I don't support him. Because if you're going to copyright strike innocent small creators, if you're going to copyright claim them so that you can get a $5 here, a $10 here, a $20 here, $2 here to add up because you broke as hell and want to be greedy, you're right. I will not buy another damn record from this man. Stay mad. Because here's my thing. When are you all on the right going to start holding people accountable for the things they do? Or is it just blind loyalty? You're not going to hold nobody accountable because you likes them, because they based, because there's somebody on your team. Dude, shut up, okay? All right? All right. I'm not going to read all of them. Oh, by the way, and to hell with you. I'm going to give you a downvote. And this is the last one. Why don't you listen to it? Ben had a sick flow. I did listen to it, by the way, and I also purchased it. And he says, Tom does not, this is somebody else lying to me in my comment section, don't know what the hell they talking about. Tom does not claim anything when you play his videos, and he does not copyright strike it. More lies told in my comment section in reference to this video. So let's go to my girl, Christy May. Now, this was old. The reason why I'm just now responding to it now is because I got a copyright ID strike for reacting to Tucker Carlson's video. And yeah, that wasn't nice. I was on a week suspension because of this. And so, well, this reaction happened to me this happened while I was on a suspension. And so once I got off suspension, I had to basically gather my footing and get a chance to react to the video. So better late than never. So this is my girl, Christy May. And Chrissy got a copyright ID claim, while other small creators got a copyright strike. That means they got a strike against their channel and they couldn't stream for a week. If it's 2 they already had, they couldn't stream for 2 weeks. So this is what Chrissy said. She did this on her Twitter. Hey, Tom McDonald. This is where she basically, adding him. Hey, Tom McDonald, please get your people to stop hitting YouTubers with copyright claims and strikes that are promoting your video Facts with Ben Shapiro. This is twice now in 1 week that I've had to not just dispute, but also appeal because it keeps getting rejected. So I want everyone who keeps saying, oh, Tom won't strike your channel. Tom won't content ID claim your channel. Yes, he will. Stop lying. Now, here's the question. What you going to do about it? Are you going to sit up here and act like you don't see this and act like none of this has happened and going to pretend that that he doesn't come after smaller channels or smaller creators and copyright strike them and content ID claim them? Because that's the reason why I didn't do it. And I'm just going to say something. Now, this may not be PC, but honey, when I saw Tom McDonald collab with Ben Shapiro, I was like, oh, hell no. This guy greed all over it. They not going to get my little measly $10 for reviewing that video. So anyway, so she said this and Tom reacts, right? Tom says, email me and I'll whitelist your channel. Done this for anyone who asked for 6 years. Whitelist? What you need a whitelist for? Oh, right. You need a whitelist. So if someone says your album or your song is trash, you can basically content strike them or content ID claim them, take their money or content ID strike them, have the video removed, and get them to get a strike on their channel, because that's what a whitelist is for. A whitelist is used for censorship, the very thing that I thought Tom McDonald was against. See, I love being right. I just had a feeling. I was like, oh, he's teaming up with Ben Shapiro. I smell greed. There's no way I'm going to respond to their react. I'm not going to react to their video. So then, of course, he sits here and he says that, and Chrissy quote tweets him and says, no, Tom McDonald, having a whitelist does not resolve the issue of your team wrongfully hitting smaller creators with copyright strikes and claims, and then disagreeing when we try to protect ourselves and dispute that our content is fair use and protected. I shouldn't have to begin a legal process just to cover and promote you. This is an awful look for you, and you should evaluate who you let in to your team. I agree with this. Now, did you think that Tom McDonald would have humbled himself and said, you know what, girl, you're right. I'm about to fire my marketing team, my PR team, and my copyright claim team. I'm about to just basically manually do that myself, or basically hire someone to understand, just to make sure nobody is stealing my content. If anybody reacting to it, whether they like it or not, I'm just going to release it, full blast. Did you think he said that? No, of course he did. Of course he did. This is what Tom said. It's called content ID and it's algorithmic. Laughing, crying emoji face. No one is manually claiming your videos. Get a grip. Ooh, that sounds very arrogant, isn't it? First of all, people are manually checking the team. Let me tell you what's happening. He has an algorithmic process that he hired a PR team or a marketing team or a copyright claim team. I don't know what their title is. And so once the video get caught up in the algorithm, those people on that team review it and they reject it or they approve it. However, this is what's been happening. People who have been reviewing the video and the song favorably have been rejected. Their disputes have been rejected. And everybody, we already know this was going to be the case. Everybody who called the daggone song dog crap or dog doo-doo, they got rejected too. So, you know, what's amazing, this is not the only person this happened to. This also happened to Megan Fox over here. There's so many content creators. They're all small. All right, I think Chrissy is the biggest one where they kept rejecting her. And this is the reason why she's on Twitter making a big fuss about it. And that this is the reason why Tom is responding. So Megan Fox YouTube channel is not that big, but she viewed the video favorably. She got rejected in her dispute in reference to the content ID claim. So he basically, you know, gets all arrogant with her, talking about something, get a grip. Instead of being humble and saying, let me go ahead and solve this problem. I guess we got enough money where we can be a butthole now, huh? Anyway, so she says, because she quote tweets them, we want to all get it in context. So she says, okay, I got a grip. Tom McDonald, you and your team chose to use a corrupt corporate copyright system to take down anyone using your clips or content without discernment. Isn't that what you claim to be fighting against?
Boom! Headshot!
Oh, yeah, isn't it? Isn't it? Before you Tom McDonald hardcore fans get real mad, I just want to ask you, you told me that he does not copyright claim. Turns out he does. He strikes and he copyrights claim. Who is at fault? Chrissy and I for bringing attention to it, or Tom hiring a corrupt company that doesn't do right by the fans who support his music? Okay, you just think about that and answer for a second and let me know in the comment section. And then you and someone from your team manually rejected my copyright claim dispute, which proved that I used it under the guise of fair use. See screenshots. And we got the screenshots right here. Y'all can just go to her channel, her Twitter, and you can see all of this. Now, like I said, I was supposed to, I was on a week suspension, and this went down during that suspension, and I'm back. Well, I've been back. I think I got back, last Thursday. So I'm just now getting a chance to basically do a reaction to it today. But I would have done it when this happened, but I was in timeout for reacting to a Tucker Carlson interview, and I got a copyright strike. So I got a strike against my channel, and I couldn't stream for a week. You know, something that your boy Tom McDonald has been doing to smaller channels. All right, so then we go, perhaps you should, as I suggested, check in on your team and make some changes without the smaller content creators to stand on the backs of. You wouldn't be where you are now. We supported you, promoted you, and now we just want you to take some accountability for exploiting a broken system. And she shows the receipts, show that they whoever the company is, they manually reviewed it and rejected it, okay? Trying to get them little dollars as if he need more money, huh? Canadians, I swear. Now, did Tom McDonald respond back? No, he didn't. He didn't respond back. Okay, so here we go. She responds back to him because he ignored her. And she says, hello again, Tom McDonald. This is day 3 of you ignoring my copyright dispute appeal. You lied to me and both our audience, who are paying attention, by the way, that it's algorithmic. When we all know copyright claims are manually rejected. This is true. He's saying this is algorithmic, but then again, when it comes to reviewing the dispute, they're always reviewed manually. Everybody does that. It's not by no algorithm. When we review, if somebody disputes it or basically say they own the content, it's always manually reviewed. So Tom McDonald is not only greedy, he's also a liar. She said, you would rather it just expire and claim ignorance than acknowledge a mistake that could have been corrected days ago. It's clear that it's not worth your time because it's not a celebrity or someone with a big following who could advance your career. Nothing but facts.
Boom! Headshot!
Okay, so here's somebody. Who's this person? Now, by the way, there were a couple of other people. Since you guys love black folks so much, there was a couple of black YouTubers who got a copyright content ID claim as well as a strike on a few of them. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe if they ain't Candace Owens, y'all don't care about that. But anyway, so here we have somebody that says video on Tom McDonald striking smaller creators coming soon. Seems like this has been an issue for some time. The Christy May situation got it on my radar, but it seems like it's been a problem for at least 2 years. So stop telling people Tom McDonald does not copyright claim or copyright strike people who react to his videos. He does. Okay, now here's the last but not least thing right here. So Chrissy does a video where excuse me, not this video. So this is the video where she was reacting. So this says reactions to the Daily Wire Ben Shapiro rap with Tom McDonald, and she basically puts it in her tweet, and she says, I'm releasing my content ID claim and rejected reaction to Tom McDonald's songs Facts. You tell me if my usage is fair use or not. This is now day 4 of his refusal to release his copyright claim. Why is he so hungry for money? I mean, I hate to make this joke, but I'm going to. Is Ben Shapiro rubbing off on him?
Boom! Headshot!
I smell greed. Okay, now I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna keep that in there. I'm gonna leave the link to Chrissy's video because she invites several YouTubers on who have had a copyright strike against them issued by Tom McDonald. The same clown you all told me don't copyright strike or don't copyright claim anybody's videos who's reacting to his song. So I was right, you were wrong. I'm so tired of you all telling me how to do my daggone job when I have womanly instincts. And a part of me, like I said, and I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna stand by this. I said Tom McDonald is hooking up with Ben Shapiro. That is a recipe for disaster for somebody like me reacting to their video rap song Facts. So I am not going to let them try to take my little tiny little money, my little tiny itty bitty YouTube money. I'm not going to react to it. And guess what? That seems to be the best decision because they couldn't copyright claim me. Isn't that how that works? Anyway, I know some of y'all going to be butthurt in the comments, and you can be butthurt all you want to, but you can't call me a liar. I came here with receipts as always, and I basically told you that your Lord and Savior Jesus McDonald does copyright strikes videos of you reacting to a song, and he copyright claims them. I don't know who gets the strikes or who gets the content claim, but it's still bad either way. Here's the question. Are you going to hold him accountable? Are you going to tell him to get a new company? And are you going to tell him to basically do something in reference to this issue? That's all I got to ask. I mean, or are you just going to let him get away with it because, you know, you don't hold people accountable like the people on the left? This is Tree from treeoflogic.com. If you like this video, give it a like. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, and I will talk to you on the next one. Later, taters.